everybody, it's Neil. Welcome to my camper. Today I'm gonna check out these. These are the Energizer 2025 batteries. And my problem is, I don't know, I have all these LED lights and stuff, and they all, I don't know, the batteries they must come with must be the crappiest, cheapest things ever, because as soon as it gets warm out, they die. So if you have one of these like LED strips, like this whole thing here, and it's not working, chances are it's because of the stupid remote that has the cheapy battery in it. They give you the cheapest ones. So let's check it out here. We're gonna switch this out. We're gonna put you down here. And here is the remote. And these things are a pain in the butt to open up. But if you look at it, you can kind of do the little, so you have to push that thing to the side and then open it. So there, I got it open, so there. And now let's see if I can get this out here. So there we go. And you have to remember which way it goes. So it goes this way and this little one here. So this is the cheapy little crappy one. And then I'm gonna use one of these new Energizer ones here. Oh, I already forgot which way it was. Which direction was it? Was it this way or this way? I think it was this way. Okay, we're gonna try it. We'll put it back in there, see how we do. Let's see. And it doesn't work, so maybe I put it in upside down. Can't even remember. See, I was too busy looking at the video. I didn't remember which way it went. Try this again this way. And there we go. So now I have light again. Check it out. Woo woo. So just replace the battery on these things. And it's at 2025. This one's a 2025. So be sure and get the 2025 one, because that's going to be the right one for these types of remotes. I have this remote, I have this remote, and I have this remote. I got 3 different remotes. So, and they're all freaking dead. So now my goal is to get them back and going again, because I had my camper stored for the summer. So now it's the winter and got to get it all going again. I'm in Texas, that's why I camp in the winter. But okay, here we go.